In today's video, you're going to learn how to cook with tempeh. It's a delicious, versatile ingredient, and the first recipe for you today is giant couscous and harissa tempeh. And oh my goodness gracious me, look at how good that looks. First up, we are prepping our giant couscous. We're going to make a really nice silky broth, get some kale in there, get some herbs in there, and then we're going to make our tempeh. Now we've taken our tempeh, we've steamed it, we've fried it off a bit, and then we've made a really nice flavorful infusion, which is harissa. We're going to fry that tempeh off in that harissa. We're going to pop it on top of that couscous, and then what you've got is a date night dinner. So crack open a bottle of wine and treat your missus or your mister. Next up, we have got a fantastic tempeh recipe. Of course we have barbecue tempeh sandwich, and my goodness me, barbecue tempeh sandwich needs to be on your weekly recipe repertoire, or maybe not weekly, certainly summer recipe repertoire. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to take your tempeh, you're going to simmer it in a really nice barbecuey broth. We're going to let that do its thing over there. Then you're going to prep your accoutrements, which is basically gherkins, a little bit of plant-based mayo, some lettuce. Then we're going to fry off that tempeh. We're going to make a sauce out of what's left in the pan. We're going to serve it with some chips, and we're going to chow down, and we're going to be very, very satisfied and completely full of protein. And then we're going to look at how to make creamy mac and greens. Now, creamy mac and cheese is something we've done quite a lot of. And what you need is cashews, you need a little bit of plant-based milk, you need loads of nutritional yeast, you need a decent quality blender, and you need elbow macaroni, because I think the elbow macaroni is the one. Then mix it through with some beautiful greens, and here is our tempeh. That tempeh right there is crumbled, it's fried in like bacony flavors, and it gives that creamy texture, a nice bite, a nice chew, and a nice subtlety that wasn't there previously. Now, the next one is sausage rigetoni. Now, goodness me, rigetoni is one of those pasta shapes that's just gone super, super popular, and you can see why. First up, fry up your veggies, then break up your tempeh, then flavor your tempeh, then fry your tempeh, then pop all the ingredients along with the rigatoni into the sauce, into the pan rather, and then what we make is the sauce. Look at the wobble on that sauce. Oh my God, so silky, so smooth, so delicious. Full recipe in the comments below. And next up, we are going to learn how to make teriyaki tempeh. Oh my goodness, this is a fantastic recipe. And what we're doing here is we're simmering the tempeh to get it nice and soft and get it nice and cookable. Chop it, then prepare your little marinade. It's got some great flavor makers in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to thicken it up with a little bit of cornstarch. Then in goes the tempeh, and it's kind of simmering and it's kind of frying, and we're just getting some flavor in there, and we're just getting the nice texture. Then we're going to serve it with simply with some cashews, with some broccoli, with some rice. We're going to garnish it up with spring onions and some sesame seeds, and then we are going to chow down and be very, very satisfied. In fact, if you make any of these dishes, you will be very satisfied. So if you like them, let us know what you think about them in the comments below. We'll see you again next time after you've subscribed.